Caitlin, faster!
Analysis bot, what do you think will happen with this one?
It will fight a bit, then die.
Again?
Again.
Victory! Don't test robot phones.
Its consciousness is not unique. We will make another one.
Analysis bot, what upgrade is the best to tackle the next challenge?
When you are surrounded by robots with swords, you need to not get hit by their attacks. Blocking or kicking is very effective against sword robots.
We will see what the human chooses. Victory! Look, the human robot defeated all the robots.
Well done, human.
Analysis bot, how do you fight archers?
Don't turn your back to them, unless you want an arrow in it.
A valuable lesson. Victory! It seems archers don't hold any mystery to this human.
This is a pretty basic model.
Good point. Coming up next, both archers and sword robots.
Many humans find this stressful.
Many humans find death. Victory! Nice. Everyone died.
Well done, human.
For our next challenge, we have a special guest.
Who is it?
You're about to find out. Look to the sky. The Emperor arrives. Fellow robots, we have captured the few humans bold enough to venture into our space. But it is not enough. Billions of their minds remain, waiting to be harvested. Soon our fleet will arrive at the closest human outpost. While we wait, let us watch our latest combat robot in action. I give you Spider-Tron 5000. Victory!
Spider-Tron 5000 was defeated.
Yes, a shame. Now, go ahead.
Some are named Mark.
Are they better than ones not named Mark?
No.
Confusing. Victory!
The human defeated all the sword robots.
A surprising outcome.
Analysis bot, what is better than Spider-Tron 5000?
To Spider-Tron's 5000.
Analysis bot, didn't you say that Spider-Tron 5000 could not be defeated?
The human has found a way. We must start research on Spider-Tron 6000.
Not many challengers have reached this level.
Even fewer reach the one after that.
The Mark III combat archers are very good at what they do. The human died.
A shame.
A shame.
Alice Holland!
Here we go again.
Yes.
We can't do this all day.
Unlike humans.
Yes, I hear they have to
Victory!
You think you are tough, human? Many humans have beaten this level.
For the Mark III combat archer.
The human stands no chance. These archers also carry a sword.
And have you seen them move?
This will be over quickly.
Clone created.
Good. The human has a backup.
You should always make a backup.
Victory!
The human defeated the archers.
An impressive achievement.
This is a talented human. Coming up, an overwhelming number of sword robots.
Quantity is sometimes better than quality.
Indeed. How many sword robots do you think this human could defeat?
We saw it defeat all of these. It is logical to assume that it could continue beating a steady stream of this model.
Perhaps it is time for a more advanced challenger. And now, time to see the Mark III sword robot in action.
Few sword robots are faster.
Let us watch the human get cut apart.
Finally, someone who can actually fight. It's your lucky day. I'm going to help you escape. In a few moments, the garbage doors will open. When they do, I'm going to lower the force field, and you're going to run through them. Run, and don't stop. Ready? Here we go.
What is happening?
The garbage force field has been disabled.
Impossible.
I am detecting a security breach. The human is escaping.
Foolish human, there is no escape from the arena. Security robots, eliminate the human.
The security forces are assembling. The human stands no chance. This was its plan all along. I could see it sniffing around the garbage room.
I thought it wanted to eat the garbage.
What a devious human.
It will not get far.
To all of you still left in storage, I will make you a deal. Survive, and I will get you out of here. Together we can fight back. Together we can put an end to this madness. Let's do this. Finally, someone who can actually fight. It's your lucky day. I'm going to help you escape. In a few moments, the garbage doors will open. When they do, I'm going to lower the force field, and you're going to run through them. Run, and don't stop. Ready? Here we go.
What is happening?
The garbage force field has been disabled.
Impossible.
I am detecting a security breach. The human is escaping.
Foolish human, there is no escape from the arena. Security robots, eliminate the human.
The security forces are assembling. The human stands no chance. This was its plan all along. I could see it sniffing around the garbage room.
I thought it wanted to eat the garbage.
What a devious human.
It will not get far.
All of you still left in storage, I will make you a deal. Survive, and I will get you out of here. Together we can fight back. Together we can put an end to this madness. Let's do this.
Carry, Franklin.
Soldiers on eyes. The human died in the garbage room.
Yes, that is what happened.
There is no need to panic.
No need at all.
Let's watch the next human fight.
Victory.
Nice.
Not terrible. Swords are everywhere.
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 Victory.
Nice.
What a good little human. Schnick, schnick, schnick.
That's right.
Schnick, blah.
An accurate simulation of future events.
Hooray!
I'm looking forward to the next level. How do you defeat the Mark II hammer?
Well,
You don't.
I.
Boom.
Victory!
The human won.
I was hoping it would die.
There is still time. Engage the jet engines.
Death comes swiftly now.
No mercy.
Our fleet has arrived at Centauri's station. Watch now, as we harvest the last humans outside their solar system. Release the jetpack bombs. Victory!
The harvest is underway.
I can't wait to try these humans.
Yes, it will be fun. Do you think the human misses its host, analysis bot?
No, fighting with a laser sword is a superior experience.
Yes, I think you're right.
Clone created.
Analysis bot, how long does it take to create a human?
About 9 months to create the first version, then several years to teach it how to do things.
So long.
Victory!
How goes the harvest? Analysis bot.
The number of humans is increasing.
Marvelous. And now, a break dance.
The human dance is in the middle.
We will see if it breaks.
Victory!
I like this level.
The pillars are fun.
And now, a forest of pillars.
Strange creatures wander among them.
Beautiful creatures.
Repair complete. Victory!
This human is close to death.
Yes, the worst is yet to come.
And now, Spidertron 6000.
OMG!
Boom boom. killing it.
It can't kill all the things.
Time to end this.
Here it comes, the Mark III hammer bot.
Nothing can stand in its way.
Clone created.
Nice. Now more human will die.
Perhaps they will die in different ways.
We shall see.
Clone activated. Victory! The harvesting draws to an end. Time to set fire to the human space station.
This should be good.
What are the garbage bots doing?
Earth stands no chance. When the harvesting fleet arrives, it will wipe out every living thing on the planet. Human weapons will be useless against them. But we are no longer human. We can still stop them if we transfer your minds directly onto the harvesting fleet. It won't be easy. Security is tight for transferring minds between military endpoints. There is only one place that allows such a thing. The fleet communications beacon. The building is equipped with a business robot transfer system in the low security floors. This is how we will get you into the building. You will both have some fresh new bodies, so pick whatever upgrades you want. We are in. Head upstairs when you're ready. I will be watching.
Robots, arm yourself. The filthy humans walk among us. Kill them now.
That robot on the screen was the fleet overseer. Looks like we'll have to go through it once we reach the mainframe. The high security floors are just ahead. Did I...
Look at the larva humans. Does it remind you of when your bodies were set on fire? Soon all of you will experience this sensation. Ha 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 ha.
That hammer boss seems to be wearing some sort of armor. Be careful.
Please die.
Neat. That looks useful. Nice job. We're getting close. The mainframe is just ahead. Good luck.
You left the humans in here trying to die.
You did it. Get over here. Time to send your minds to the fleet. We're going to have to transfer you one at a time. Hold on, I'm establishing an uplink. Here we go. Starting the transfer. Now.
If it is not the first human to ever escape.
Quick!
No, not that human. Tell me, Amelia, is your favorite color still 5,000 lines of hostile injection code? Getting physical access to this mainframe was quite impressive. But now, I see you. All the places you have been hiding. Every node, every server. They will all